Minister of Health, Kwabena Minta Kando, has assured management of the University of Ghana, Legon, of government's commitment to foster collaboration in the bid to contain the COVID-19 upsurge within the university community. The minister, accompanied by officials at the Ghana Health Service, was at the university to get first-hand information about the disease resurgence at the university ahead of his briefing in Parliament later today. He also used the occasion to hand over some PPEs to the university management to support their efforts. My colleague Sarah Penkro is with the team. She's joined us right now with a bit more detail. Sarah, provide us a bit more what the minister found out upon his visits to the university.
So the minister's arrival, he first met with the university management and led by the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Gordon Awandari, who outlined to the minister what led to the communique about the resurgence of the COVID-19 on the university community.
Right.
And so he said currently cases are declining, but they observed that it was after a concert which the students had to gather. That was when the cases started spiking. So they are ensuring that the resurgence of the disease is contained within the university community so it doesn't go out. If you will recall, the University of Ghana happens to be in the hotspot of the COVID-19 disease outbreak, even from the onset of the disease in the country. So it's become very critical that the cases are looked at. The minister then went to the University Health Service Department to look at how they are managing the cases at the facility. And indeed, he interacted with the medical directors over there. They put to him the need for some PPEs, and luckily, he came along with some PPE to help them manage the situation. So he handed it over to them and also told them to ensure collaboration efforts are enhanced so that they ensure the spread doesn't go beyond the university community. Then he went ahead to the University of Ghana Medical Center to find out if they also have cases of COVID-19, but he was informed that they have suspected cases, but they haven't actually confirmed any case yet. They are monitoring the situation. And he was also okay. He was satisfied with their preparedness in case cases start coming in, as he assured them that he will go to Parliament today and brief the House on what is happening. He couldn't address the media and give us much information as to the numbers that have happened, as to the type of variant actually currently in the country, or the female or the male divisions of the case count. But he said he would do that in Parliament, so it wouldn't be appropriate for him to address the media and give us that information before he goes to the House. So currently he's been doing his tour. He's been told what the situation is. We are also informed that the cases are declining within the university community. Indeed, I saw some students wearing nose masks. Even at the Health Service Department, you see strict enforcement of COVID-19 protocols. Yeah, the apparels are being worn. You would be checked. Your hands must be washed before you enter. There is a use of sanitizers all around the place. So basically, this is what the minister was put through as he visited the university community today to get first-hand information as to the situation management on the ground.
Right, Sarah, let's hear from the minister who spoke briefly to the media, even as we expect him to be addressing the House a lot later.
How swiftly contributed in containing the strike. Somewhere last 2 weeks, when we were far away in Brussels, and I was constantly in touch with the Ghana Health Service. The Director General was being there, so on hourly basis we were reviewing the cases. And so since the cases were reported, we have been having a lot of engagement and deploying one after another. And so we are grateful for how far you have cooperated. But I thought it was very important for me to come and see to have first-hand information, especially so today I'm going to have the opportunity to brief the whole country through Parliament on the situation. And I'll be very brief here because we'll have the opportunity to give details briefing on the situation, among other things.
And that's the Health Minister, Kwabena Minta Kanda. We'll be expecting him in Parliament a lot later today, where he'll provide full details as to the disclosures made to him by authorities at the University of Ghana about this latest COVID resurgence. But Sarah, thank you very much for those details.